Okay. So this one is our electric bike. Yes, it is the floatable electric bike. And you can see that this one is quite fashionable, and it is all black. It is all black, and the size is quite small, but we have the two big wheels, and the front wheel and the rear wheels, the size of these two wheels is 16 inches, 6 inches. So I just then I will make a detailed introduction about our R5 Plus. So it is quite a popular product of our company, and we sell quite well overseas and here. You can see that it is floatable, and the power bank, the battery, is under the seat. So the power bank, the battery is removable. You can see that here, the seat, you can adjust the height of the seat here, and just remove this power bank. And if you want to charge this power bank here, just remove this power bank, and here we have a plug in this part, so we can charge it in down here in this part. So this charge port is in this part. Yeah, and here next is that the power, the capacity of the power bank of this R5 Plus is 7.5 Ah. So it is powerful, and capacity is large. So the long distance of our R5 Plus could be 30 kilometers. And the motor we used is the motor is the rear wheel motor, and the motor power could be 250 W. So the max speed of our R5 Plus could be 35 kilometers per hour. 35 kilometers per hour. So it is quite fast, and the speed has 6 different levels of the speed. So you can control the speed which you like. Yeah, how to control it? Because you can see here we have a LED control center on the handle here, and then you can control the speed and control the mode of the bike, like the electrical mode or just like the normal mode. So you can control it with this LED controller. And first you need to press the power button, and when it's on, then you can set. You can see here on the screen we have several informations like the speed of the bike, and the distance of the bike, and also you can change the mode of this bike. So it is quite easy and convenient for you to use, and everyone can use this electronic bike. And next is like the brake of our R5 Plus is the front disc brake. Yes, front wheel disc brake. So in these two parts, in the front wheel, we have the disc brake for you to control. So it is quite safe. And when you want to stop it, just press this brake, and it will stop immediately. So it is quite safe for you to use our R5 Plus. And then you can see that our two wheels is 16 inches, the big wheel for you to use. So it can adjust to any road conditions. For example, that when outside is raining and outside is snowing, you can also use our R5 Plus, and you will not falling. So this is quite important, that because this big wheels, big tires, and to make sure that you can ride on this bike on any road conditions, even if the rough road. So this is the wheels of our R5 Plus, R5 Plus. And here's, I will show you how it floats, and because it can be float into a small size. And you can see that in the middle we have a buckle, and you just press it. So it is a quick float, just with 2 seconds. 2 seconds, and then you can float it into a small size. Float it into a small size. So you can see that you can float this one into a small size.